Hey y'all, hey, it's too hot to be outside. So today I'm gonna go ahead and get some work done inside. I got some canning to do. As you can see, I'm gonna make my pasta slash spaghetti sauce, whatever sauce you want to use it for. I'm gonna use it for pizza as well. I have everything together. I got tomatoes, I had sauce. Those are my peaches that I'm canning. These are my other jars. My sauce is gonna go inside of. Girl, we making pizza today. But anyway, I decided to go ahead and make it so I don't have to make it for a while. And this is half of the sauce, and then I added all the tomatoes over here. Everything is already seasoned, and I'm going to just use my immersion blender to blend it down. Now, this sauce is a little thicker than the first one, but I have two separate pots, so it is what it is. And this is how the second one came out. And yes, we're going to put these in the jar, and we just gonna water back can them and store them. And that's it.